I made this AI animated lip sync video in Canva in just a few minutes.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's lovely to see you all. My name is Oliver Bennett, and I'm delighted to be here with you today.
It's super handy for explainer videos or presentations where you want a talking character without spending hours animating. So in this video, I'll walk you through two different methods on making lip sync animated videos on Canva. Go to canva.com using the link in the description. On the left side, click the plus button and search for video. You'll see the video canvas appear. Click to open it. Next, go to Elements. You'll see a bunch of short clips. These are pre-animated lip sync videos where the character's mouth already moves in sync with speech. Just a heads up. Most of these clips are available for Canva Pro users, so if you're on the free plan, your options might be limited. Canva also gives you a variety of characters, organized by profession and style. Pick one that fits your video's theme and drag it onto the canvas. To make your character blend naturally into your background, make sure to click Remove Background. Now just add your audio to match the dialogue or mood.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's lovely to see you all.
And that's it. You've got a short animated scene with natural-looking talking visuals, but the lips move in a generic pattern, not perfectly synced with the words. To fix that, we'll use Adobe Express. It's completely free to use. All you need is your email to log in. Once you're in, you'll see a few character options to animate, but for this method, we only need the mouth animation. Before jumping into that, I went back to Canva to decide which character I'd use for the mouth animation. This way, I could pick a mouth option in Adobe that fits better. I opened a new video canvas, uploaded my chosen character, and positioned it in the center. Back in Adobe, select the mouth for animation. You can either record your voice directly on the site or upload your audio file. Once uploaded, the tool automatically syncs the mouth movements with your voice. It might take a few minutes to generate, but the animation comes out surprisingly smooth. Now head back to Canva and upload the animated mouth you just created. Place it on your character and adjust it so it looks natural. I also used Canva's Paint tool to cover the original mouth and position the new animated one to fit the face shape perfectly. When you're done, play the video to preview the results.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's lovely to see you all.
Make any final tweaks, and once everything looks right, download your video. Now you can use the same method to add animated characters to your Reels, YouTube videos, business presentations, and a lot more. The links to both Canva and Adobe Animation Maker are in the description below, so definitely give them a try. And for another helpful AI tutorial, watch this video next.